How's everyone doing? I hope you guys had a great day yesterday. I hope you guys had a great New York session as well. All right. So have some music playing in the background. All right. So we got EUR JPY here. So buys above 143, 100. We'll see if we can eventually break out of that. If we do, then we got buys coming our way. But if we keep rejecting it, then we could potentially fall. If we break above 143, 100, we could actually reject right here at around 143, 500. If we break that, then obviously we're going to continue pushing up. So I'll be paying attention to the 30-minute and also the 5-minute as well. So we'll see what's gonna happen here, guys. Why no more NY session? I just didn't like NY session anymore, and I decided to only stick to indices during NY session. I'm actually gonna do something here today for the gold traders. I'm not gonna be trading it, but I'm just gonna do it just for the gold traders. Where's the one that? Damn, good has been freaking falling. Wow. So, in regards to me looking at gold, doesn't mean I'm gonna be trading it. I'm definitely not trading it. But if I see something that I like, I'll call it. But I'm not gonna be trading it. If gold actually continues dropping, it could reject 1680. Alright. It could actually reject 1680. Yes, Nicholas is still bearish. Uh, at Magic PN, you probably wasn't here yesterday. I'm only focusing on EJ. No GJ, no AJ, no CJ, no UJ. Straight Euro JPY. And the gold that I just marked up right now, I'm not trading it either. I just marked it up. If I see something, I'll call it, and whoever trade gold can take it. But I'm not gonna be taking it. Just putting that out there. It's currently at a 4-hour support right now. Four-hour broke, so we could just be retesting it here. If this 4-hour candle flips, you got a sell continuation. All right, you got a sell continuation, and then we could reject 1680 or 1670, and price would go bullish from there. So right now, if I'm actually going to take gold, it's going to be based off of the 4-hour time frame. This 4-hour candle flips bearish, you take your sell. So I'm going to leave this on the 4-hour. Waiting to see how this freaking 5-minute candle is going to close.
Could have been dead. High school price on my head. Paranoid lying in my bed. Pray to God they don't turn my shirt cherry red. I was lost, didn't know me. Introduced myself to codeine. 6 months was a dope fiend. Philly didn't even know things. There was a low me. Swear they got it with a whole me. Anything you ever told me. Anything you ever showed me. I forgot it. Calls me drama. I used to stay on one. Now I chase on them. The highs with the lows. That's life these days. Bro chained up, he on lockdown. Phone call 3 ways. I just pray that he find God now. It's no replay. On my way up to the top now. That's on me, ayy. Hit the highs with the lows. That's life these days. Bro chained up, he on lockdown. Phone call 3 ways. I just pray that he find God now. It's no replay. On my way up to the top now. That's on me, ayy. I just saw Jizzy got a plane. Guess that's what he meant when he said nothing was the same. Lately I've been grounded, energizing off the pain. Some things gon' change, I'm just soaking up the game. Through the mud, out the rain, like I remember all those same nights. Now I'm on top, no stage fright.
Good morning, Flori.
Now I'm on go, no brake lights. Hit the pedal, hit the engine roar. No fear like a matador. Breaking trends and I'm making more. Going up, climbing ladders more. I can't be stopped. Now I do what I want. Real, no front. All the way to the top. Highs with the lows. That's like these days. World chained up, he on lockdown. Phone call 3 ways. I just pray that he find God now. It's no replay. On my way up to the top now.
This right here is gonna be for the gold traders.
World chained up, he on lockdown. Phone call 3 ways. I just pray that he find God now. It's no
not in any trades, guys. Hey, you, I am on trading. I just saw you. This is Euro JPY Kings FX. You watching from your phone? Good morning, Diana. Good morning, Gerson. Not in any trade, guys. And according to investing.com here, we do not have any high impact news for London session. Not until New York session. Yeah, we're still rejecting here on the 30-minute. So like I said, if we stay rejecting 143, 100 here, we could potentially fall here on EJ. All right. Just like I freaking predicted the sell yesterday. And look at what happened. Freaking fell. Right? Fell. Fell like crazy. New York session, we just freaking dropped. So if we stay rejecting here, I'm predicting another sell. If we stay rejecting. No, we're not in the trade yet, Gerson. Good morning, Adikia. Good morning, A1 Media Group. Good morning, Raymond. Good morning, Namesake. Good morning, Roseburg. How EJ is currently finding it hard to break this zone, guys.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. I've been on the flex since flex on. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shady, my bros raw. No breaks, we go, 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 go. Throw shade, that's a no, 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 no. Go high, go low, low, low. Like spinning in a 644. Cash money like 504. Ball like AD24. No sleep, need more, more, more. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. I'm a real one, my day ones. Try speak up, can't say none. Try dig dirt, there ain't none. I make the money that save up. 10, 10, 80, my savings. To the top on the baseline. New car, race on. Fast lane. With the booyah, that's a flex. Not a human, I ain't from another planet. I'ma teleport my advantage. I'ma wake up, do damage. Drawing number 7, he's bored though. Working all night, need more though. I remember nights I was poor though. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
I'll be looking for sales below 142,928 because looking at this on a 5, we got this minor support here. So we could potentially come down, retest this resistance, and then price will fall after that. So we'll see. We're still waiting for closures above there. Oh, it's 11 in Cali. Yeah, maybe we're gonna have good volume today for London. So we'll see.
Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you.
Ah, what do I think? What do I think about GJ? I haven't even looked at GJ today at all. This gold setup right here, this is for the people that love to trade gold. I'm not trading it. So I just have it on here for those people.
No romancing. Got my baby and she right, she make you vanish. No time to play, got book dates. Had a plan, only had to wait. Always knew I'd make a way. Send a bill, they send a pay. Keep it real, keep the record straight. Keep it real, no time to fake. All authentic in my own lane. I am me till I'm in the grave. Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, won't stop. Ooh, never panic. Get a worry, send it up and advantage. I can't stand it. Out of order way you move and see you scrambling. On offense, no defense. Still strong, no weakness. Used to say I wouldn't beat this.
Yeah, I said if this 4 hour flips bearish, you can take gold sales.
My tongue get what I deserve. Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, won't stop.
Yeah, it could fall. Especially if that 4 hour candle flips bearish on gold, it should fall.
Son of God, no, I am not son of man. Blessings keep falling, the favors keep coming in. I got you, but just know I'm texting like Uncle Sam. Left to the bank, you know that I'm coming in. We don't do it for the bands though, we don't do it for the clout. Legacy on the line, so I'm moving in and out. Seen good ones turn top dog, greedy ones get knocked off. I keep looking at the bench like I could never not ball. Coach keep me in the game, Curry deadly with the range. I keep looking in the mirror like, who is he? I'm insane. Who am I? He insane. Guess I ain't the one to blame. What's done is done, won't change. Time to live up to my name. Real will be real, fake gon' fall. Took time with this here, I'm made for war. No sleeping, no I won't fall. No sleeping, no I want it all. I keep God first. I see evil when I converse. Not today, say. This how God works. Play my position, what is given with no concerns. Go, 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 go. Set it off. Top of the morning, I'm gonna set it off. You living boring, I'm gonna set it off. Shoot when I'm scoring, I'm gonna set it off. Like soldiers torn, I'm gonna set it off. Told him, baby, meet me at the bank. Told him, mama, I'ma break the trend. Locked in, I'ma change the weight. Working for him, baby's kids. Hard times couldn't make the rent. Working hard couldn't save a cent. Lonely nights, just me and God. Swear to him, always made the ends. Grab a paper, see the news. Hate coming by the tools. Walk a mile in my shoes. Something you can never do. Got my back against the wall. Bet I always pull through. Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Sending shots, I block 'em. Superman with the moves. Rock 'em, sock 'em, drop off 'em. Play to win, never lose. Run it up, I top 'em. Play full belly too. I hip hop or pop 'em. Anything I could do. Real will be real, fake gon' fall. Took time with this here, I'm made for a while. No sleeping, no I won't fall. No sleeping, no I want it all. I keep God first. I see evil when I converse. Not today, say. This how God works. Play my position, what is given with no concerns. Go, 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 go. Set it off. Top of the morning, I'm gonna set it off. You living boring, I'm gonna set it off. Shoot when I'm scoring, I'm gonna set it off. Like soldiers torn, I'm gonna set it off.
Hi, so everyone on the model are looking at gold sales right now. Alright. This 5-minute candle closes in 2 minutes. Ah, what the hell? Still gonna wait for that candle to close. This 5 minute candle better not freaking spike up like this. Alright, gold flipping. If it really flips, you got gold sales.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said Saint Nick, but you got a bit in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said Saint Nick, but you got a bit in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. Neck is frozen, catch me rolling, I'm the chosen, snow is falling.
Good morning, India.
He's calling, check my list twice, most of y'all done. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season.
Good morning, Lightning Factions.
Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen. Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. No, I can't forget about the one with the red nose. When I fly high, my sleigh still stay 10 toes. Bring the beat, bring the cheese, put the lights up. 'Tis the season. Need no French toast, no Ebenezer. Y'all need Jesus. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They say Saint Nick, but you got up in that bag, yeah.
Good looks nice on the 5 minute. Looks like a break retest. So we should continue. Especially if it drops, if it breaks these new lows, then it's gonna continue dropping.
I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag? I got racks in my sack or in my bag. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Oh my god. Excuse me, guys. Ah, no, Popov, I'm not trading gold. I just have it there for people that trade gold. I'm not taking it. Not just trying to, give some value to the gold lovers, gold traders. Mm, 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 mm. Something like that. Mm, mm, mm. What is that? The euro should be stronger than JPY.
to deposits and it's only 8 a.m. Do it for the fam, I don't do it for the gram. Do it for my daughters, do it for my little man. That's my 2020, reason why I win. Lot of missed calls, looking bloody in my call log. I bet to myself, I'm not sorry that I logged dog. Check my mental health, I was feeling like a lost dog. Bounce back and wipe my paws off. Get it off the humble and I stick to what I know. Nights on top of nights, long nights took a toll. Took some steps back, but I still get up and I go. And now you know, I'ma make some and I'ma spend it. Yeah, new G, no doors with it. No, I won't stop now. Who you kidding? Kidding. Every day I wake up, I'ma send it. I'ma send it. I'ma send it. Every day I wake up, I'ma send it. I'ma make some and I'ma spend it. Every day I wake up, I'ma send it. Pressure on me daily, got the family on my back. Dreams are getting bigger, put the city on my map. World inside my palm, but I'll try not to get attached. Moment that is here, could be over just like that. Fast car, no NASCAR. I was never working hard, I guess I'm mad smart. Top speed like a rocket, it was blast off. 6 figures from my couch without a mask on. Waited for my cycle like a laundromat. Going to the moon, it's on top and that. 2 straight years of dropping back to back. Epidemic jumping like an acrobat. I'ma make some and I'ma spend it. Yeah, new G, no doors with it. No, I won't stop now. Who you kidding? Kidding. Every day I wake up, I'ma send it. I'ma send it. I'ma send it. Every day I wake up, I'ma send it. I'ma make some and I'ma spend it. Every day I wake up, I'ma send it.
Hey, Saeed, I'm good. Ah, I know, right? You can take EJ if you want. I mean, you can take EJ. Morning, Wim 83. Morning, Crystal. I'll be right back, guys.
To the bank like left it to the bank like I got it in tens, 20, 50, hundreds, tens, 20, 50, hundreds, tens, 20, 50, hundreds, tens, 20, 50, hundreds. Left it to the bank like pedal to the floor, need no brake lights. In the dark, watching make light. I'm a star, got no stage fright. Please don't get me mad, I'm a nice guy. My baby say I'm cute, yeah, I'm type 5. I be waking up when you go night-night. In a different zone, what's the time? Left it to the bank like go. Left it to the bank like I got it in tens, 20, 50, hundreds, tens, 20, 50, hundreds, tens, 20, 50, hundreds, tens, 20, 50, hundreds. I get it, I flip it and continue. I've been going dumb, I've been going mental. Going up, I'm on another level. All black clothes like a metal. Little this and this, little Ricky Rick. It's my grandmama, I'm her Nicky Nick. I just wanna love, but I've been hit or miss. I might up and leave, maybe take a pic. Laugh it to the bank like next to you. Only wake up if I'm next to you. You extra too. I subside with some extra too. X and O's, trying to stay on my P's and Q's. Need my boo. When I get lost, you gon' see me through. Pedestal, I put you on a pedestal. Edible, I need you like my vegetables. My pocket's fatter, my pocket's fatter. It don't really matter, it don't really matter. My pocket's fatter, my pocket's fatter. It don't really matter, it don't really matter. My pocket's fatter, my pocket's fatter. It don't really matter, it don't really matter. Money come and go, yeah, go and come. I hope you stay. Don't you run away, just don't run away. Money come and go, yeah, go and come. I hope you stay. Don't you run away, just don't run away. Next to you, only wake up if I'm next to you. Sexy too, make me wanna get sexual. My bestie too, that my bestie boo. Test me too, but I love when you test me too. Tougher on the back, most not good to go. Oh for sure, you my number one, then my number one. You the go, love it when I'm here, but miss you on the road. Oh you know, hate it when I leave. You know I'll be home. My pocket's fatter, my pocket's fatter. It don't really matter, it don't really matter. My pocket's fatter, my pocket's fatter. It don't
No,
really
no,
matter.
Said. I'm not trading gold.
Money come and go, yeah, go and come. I hope you
I
stay.
just have it on there
Don't you run
for
away,
people that trade
just
gold.
don't run away.
If it gets to this entry around 1686, then that's the entry for gold. For those of you that trade gold, I'm not trading it. No, I'm not muted anymore. Okay. EJ finally broke the highs, the 5, 15, 30. You took good sales yesterday, nice. When? When lightning factions? When did EJ break even happen? Yeah, I took the EJ buys. So whenever you have your stop loss has to be below the previous candle. You can either put it right at right below the previous candle, but I like to give it some breathing room, even though I might even close out of that trade before it gets there. So And looking at EJ right now, if EJ should start closing below this 5 minute low, I'm gonna close half and let the rest run. And then if we should come down and tap 143.013, that's where I'm gonna get out, because at that point we're gonna fall. And this would just be a fake out. I'm gonna close out my entire position if we should come down here to 143.013. Even though my stop loss is below that, until we actually close below 143.050, we're just ranging right now.
Alright, alright, yeah, okay, okay, ring around the rosy, pockets full like OD. I can move just how I move, cause don't nobody know me. Low key, still do more numbers than your fake. You can hate, but you can't say that I've been missing any place, any fool. What it do? Moving quick, bustin' moves, steps ahead, cause I'm out working while you trying to catch a snooze. Keep it smooth, not concerned with other dudes or what they do. Keep it true, I kick the truth. I'm not in so I can lose. Yeah. How'd you like it back? Tell the bank, tell her on us. Put in overtime, so I do what I wanna. Yeah. Alright, alright. Okay, okay.
That's your entry on gold for gold sellers.
Okay, okay. Full court press, none stress when I'm working. Full court press, none less than 100. Full court press, straight flex, close the curtain. Full court press to the top from the surface. Yeah, and I stay humble. Hit me for a feature, don't you come with no petty numbers. Talking about some leverage, but you been had plenty from us. Fed you for the low, so I could double when the any coming. You can't take a penny from us. Full court press, Bobby Knight with my attitude. You wouldn't understand, so I can't be mad at you. You ever had to roll coins to get to the next week? Working for the 10, had to rush to the 10 and 2. And that made me a better man. Now it's backstage business and shaking hands. I don't do this for Instagram. This is real life for real. My real life for real. For real. So I do what I, yeah. Alright, alright. Yeah. Okay, okay. Alright, alright. Yeah. Okay, okay. Full court press, none stress when I'm working. Full court press, none less than 100. Full court press, straight flex, close the curtain. Full court press to the top from the surface.
He just still playing. No, I'm not trading it. I don't trade gold. Just giving them my recommendation. Yeah, I'm in EJ. I'm in Euro JPY.
Switch that V6 for the EV. Ride it around my city. You should come ride with me, yeah. Feel me if you hear me sip. Water like a fish sip. Box water to the gillies, yeah. This a new wave, this a takeover. Do it for the future, time to get a world a makeover. Time never stops, no the timing is not. Time to clean up the block. Streets been a mess, how can I breathe? Smoke in the air, pure gasoline. I see the news, see what you read. Change gotta come, put that on me and watch me educate. Yeah, we been could've started, but it's never late. Do it for my kids, yeah, let's set it straight. Do it for your kids, gotta set it straight. It's time to regulate, we need change now. We need solo, we need EV in the game now. Make it changes so the earth we know can stay around. Make it change cause we had no time for playing around. Let's quit the playing around. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean air we need. Start from the flow, sweep up the scene. We going green, work as a team. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean air we need. Start from the flow, sweep up the scene. We going green, we going green. New car goes zoom, but it's quiet.
This is one of the reasons why I do not like gold. Even if I was gonna trade it, it would be during New York session. Even if I was. Mm.
World on my shoulders while I'm standing. I'm the new Captain Planet. Here to make changes, not damage. World on my shoulders while I'm standing. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean air we need. Start from the flow, sweep up the scene. We going green, work as a team. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean air we need. Start from the flow, sweep up the scene. We going green, we going green.
If I trade NAS at this time, I will be in NAS 100 buys right now. And EJ tripping. Oh, look at gold. Gold tripping too. But where's my entry on 3189? Entry is right there. 949. Watch this on the 30. Let me just freaking turn this watermark on. The only reason why I'm not in as 100 buys right now is because I don't trade it during this time.
Sounds familiar. Yeah. Used to run through the money, now I'm too old. Man, I'm just playing. Shot when I land. Promoter paid for 6 flights. Got the team right. I just told Mr. Band. Aiming for the bands. Beachside Villa for aesthetic just because I don't even like the sand. Stan Smith sneakers on the beach. That's the water. I just came in for the tan. This was always planned. You wouldn't understand. I could turn a Chevy to a Cullinan. I could turn a Rolls to an AP. I came from Sorry Sir to come again. I came from 2 screens to HD. Tell her why you mad for. Go on, tell her why you mad for. No new friends, I couldn't catch a win until I cut off the loose ends. Used to whip the Honda in the trunk at 210s. Just like that too. Out the speakers was max B. Couldn't say a thing about the way if you asked me. Never caught the chain, I was always trying to gain green. Ride around with my sexy love in the passenger seat. Tell her why you mad for. Go on, tell her why you mad for. Go ahead and just give me a reason not to change on you once I give me a million. I got checks in Hamburg, I might fly out this evening. I got checks in Moscow, I'll be back in a weekend. If it wasn't for COVID, I'd be in Europe touring. Counting cash on the couch is getting kinda boring. Must be talking about kids when you talk driving foreigns. Say I'm lying and I'm telling stories, or you can't. Tell her why you mad for. Go on, tell her why you mad for. Soft spoken, I can hit the studio and spit till my jaw's broken. Forex in the hour, I'm not bragging, it's all boasting. Turn the top 10 and ball for ball and it's all coasting. And it's easy for me, just tell me going, I'm on go, it's no reason for me. Doing features for a feature that's reaching for me. My next show's a mattress store, they been sleeping on me. See, they took my style, see, they been peeking on me. That's why I'm mad for.
Get your rest, stupid.
It's my boo. I can make $250,000 off a haiku, and I can make another quarter off it times 2. If it's money on the table, I'll be on it like Bobby or Epic. You peep the aesthetic, it's hard to forget it. I hear you talking, but you're hardly right. I'm the voice of your prototype. Summertime and then why? Talking land banks. I waited for it, gotta get mine. Snag a seat up at the table if my man can't. Heading to a meeting, we're familiar with no briefcase. Just my mind in a free state. I got a plan through a vision, but it takes time. I'ma make mine. Summertime and then why?
Oh, Zay, you here, Zay? Oh yeah, Jamal, I just saw your message. I don't trade. I'm not trading gold. It's just this pair right here, and that's 100. I just but I don't trade NAS at this time. I only traded during NYSC. That's why I did not take these buys on the 5 minute.
This one's for my wife. Could have left 1,000 times just about my side. This one's for the grind. I knew it would happen, just had the strength in my mind. To the videos, they thought I was a black guy. That's hard to get over. A foreigner in the sport, but I'm fully devoted. I don't take it for granted that the doors been open.
Even when I was actually trading gold, hey, when I was trading gold consistently, I never traded it at this time. I only traded it during New York session. But looking at the 4 hour, it should drop though. It should drop. EJ is really tripping. What's GJ doing? Let me take a sneak peek at GJ. Just a sneak peek. Not trading it. Just wanna be nosy. It's pretty much doing the same thing. It's pretty much doing the same thing. The red folder on USD today. What kind of news event is it? Job claims. Uh, you have a lot. You got job claims. You got core retail sales. You have retail sales. I think you will. Because you got like core retail sales, you got jobless claims, and then you got retail sales.
Live in the past and I seen a picture, died in that crash, but thank God I ain't too cool for the safe belt. My two kids in the back can't imagine how they felt, and they cried and they wept and they wept, but they're strong, and we move on. 5 steps back, but bet that I put 10 on. I put 10 on.
Well, Iron Man EJ is still Ewo JPY is playing games. That's the trade we've taken, and the only trade I will be taking for this session until I trade NAS this morning. Went up like freaking 8 pips. Iron Man King of US 30. I still believe we're gonna continue pushing up. It's just playing now. Usually when EJ does this, usually when it's ready to move, it be just like a freaking huge spike. So we'll see if we're gonna get a huge spike to the upside today. Indices, I don't like the volume doing London at all. I don't like the volume doing Asian and London. Do not like it at all. New York session, you get good moves. Let me turn on the Q zone. This is all New York session. See, New York session. This was doing CPI. New York session. Very nice multiple entries over here. New York session. Asian and London don't like it. So New York session for me when I trade indices. Hold on. Do I have London session on here? Oh, that was London. Hold on a minute. Oh yeah. This is New York. New York. New York. This was CPI. New York move. New York. New York. Buy entry, sell entry. Man, if you're not trading NAS, you're missing out. You're missing out on money. Even though you could possibly bull your account, but shit, it's worth the risk. That's all I can tell you. It's worth the risk. Just to the pattern, no matter the session. Yeah, I just don't like. Yeah, it's the same pattern. That's what I was saying. If I were to be trading NAS right now, I'll be in buys. I'll be in buys. I just don't like the volume. It moves slow. And EJ playing games. The Alpha, where am I from? I'm Nigerian, but I live in the United States. Uh, oh, Stem Jenkins, you took buys on EJ too? Nice. Only blow your account if you're not using proper risk management. Facts. Learn that lesson 2 times. So, regardless of the broker you're using or your account size, yesterday I gave my recommended lot size. If you want to trade indices, I said do not risk more than quarter percent to half a percent of your account size. So based on your account size, figure out what that percentage is, what your lot size is going to be based off this percentage, and then you're good to go. When I trade NAS, this is what I go by: a quarter percent of my lot of my account size. I use 0.25% of my account size. That's what I do. So that's my recommendation if you want to trade NAS. And when I trade it, based on my entry, when it comes to my stop loss is usually, because it's indices, is usually between 30 or 300 points to 50 points or 500 points, depending on the broker you're using. That's usually what my stop loss is. And it works perfectly well for me. You from South Africa? Oh, nice. I just buy and sell at the same time, full margin. Well, we got another Euro news coming up in about almost an hour, so around I think 3:30, 3:45 or so. It's not a high impact, so maybe that will drive it up. So far the euro is very strong, so maybe that will drive it up more. But the euro is strong. You can see if I go back to investing.com here, see this previous news here. Very good numbers. All green except for one. We'll see. We do have a minor support here to the left, but we should continue pushing up here on EJ. Alright, lightning fractions. Alright, so if you're looking to get another broker because your broker is charging you too much spread, too much commissions, then I strongly do recommend Hanko Trade. With Hanko Trade, you can either use MT4 or MT5 as your trading platform. And with Hanko Trade, there are two account types that I do recommend. You can either go with ECN if you have less than $1,000 to deposit, or go with ECN Plus if you have at least $1,000 to deposit. With Hanko Trade, their spreads start from zero point 0.0 pips, maximum leverage of 1 to 500, negative balance protection, very good low commission. Plus, you can also apply for a matching deposit bonus. But if you do that, make sure your leverage is 1 to 200, because if it's above 1 to 200, they're not going to approve you for the matching deposit bonus. But as far as for my own account, I use the maximum leverage, which is 1 to 500. So if you're interested in getting started with Hanko Trade, you guys can use my link down below in the description. Now let's get back to freaking EJ. Oh, very nice. Finally, finally. If this candle continues bullish, or if the next candle breaks above these highs at around 143,295, we Gucci. We Gucci at that point.
Change a thing, just know I spend it on you. Get you Louis if you want it, no, that's nothing, no. You can tell me that it's something, but it's nothing, no. You ignore me, but you're always on that phone. Acting funny, but you tell me that you love me, though.
I told you guys yesterday that I'm sticking to this pair right here, EUR and my New York session trades is gonna be NAS 100. No more GJ, no more AJ, no more CJ, no more GU, EJ and NAS 100. Those are my two pairs. No more, no less. Now, when you trade on your own, you guys can do whatever you want. It's your money, it's your account. It's not mine. But for me personally, that's it. Actually, Primetime FX, my final TP on this trade, that's if it gets there. My final TP on this trade is all the way up here. Right? If it keeps going, I'm just gonna trail my stop loss behind it, and I'll be taking partials. But I'm expecting the first TP. First TP is right here. Should be about for 25 pips at least. We take partials at 10p, move stops to break even, and we let it run. If we do not get stopped out after that, we let it run. Oh yeah, we already got stop loss. I don't trade without a stop loss. I'm just waiting for this candle to break above these highs. Once it does, I'm actually gonna move my stop loss to around 143.095. Move this stop loss up a little bit. Uh, now, now I'm gonna move it to 143.013. Just right below this previous week, this previous candle. Man, we're finding it hard to break that highs. So we've been in this trade for exactly an hour now. Do I think NAS will be bullish? Are you talking about right now or are you talking about New York session? I said it earlier that if I trade NAS during this session, I would have taken buys. I would be in buys when London session opened. I would have been in buys somewhere around here. That's where my buys would have been. Stop loss below that. First TP right here. This is for about 400 points or 40 pips depending on your broker. But as far as New York session, um, if we go to the 4 hour, looking at the 4 hour, so looking at the 4 hour on NAS, we actually in this freaking big range, right? We're in this freaking big range, so we could get up there and reject it and continue rejecting. So if we eventually break out of this range come New York NYSE open, then we should continue bullish. And obviously we have all this freaking gap to fill, especially if you look on the 1 hour. We have all this gap to fill, but just in case, I'll be looking for sales around here because we got a supply zone right there. So we got a supply zone around 122.50. I'll be looking for sales around there, except if we just break above that, then looking for buys. If I get a good entry somewhere around here NYSE, I'll take the buys up until this supply here. So I really can't tell you what's gonna happen. Alright, we smashed it, guys. 10 pips smashed on EJ. Close partials. Alright, let's see some W's. Alright, winning day. Let's see if we're gonna smash this first TP. Yes, Gerson, NYSE. Yeah, the alpha. Long term is bearish, short term buys. You're absolutely right. Damn, where's the W's at? No W's? I don't deserve a W for this trade. Oh. Now we're just waiting to see if we're gonna get a runner. So we're waiting for. You said go drain all the liquidity. Oh, yeah. What does it look like on the one? Even if I was a gold trader, I wouldn't trade it during this session. Pre-New York, yeah, not right now. I like gold, but I just don't like to trade it. Trading gold is not for me. I'm okay with NAS 100. NAS 100 loves me a lot. And I love her too. It's good though in pre-London. Uh, Fireboy Slim, you need to divorce gold and switch to NAS 100. Once you trade NAS 100 and have just one win, you divorce gold real quick. You divorce gold real quick and join the NAS gang. Yeah, the alpha, that's absolutely true. with Hanko Trade, you can trade NAS. You can trade NAS with a $10 lot size. Meaning, if you're trying to use $10 and you want to sign up with Hanko Trade, that means you got to go with STP. Because with STP, minimum deposit is $10, and you can use that to trade NAS. If you want to go with $100, then you got to do ECN, and you can use that to trade with NAS. Anything below $100, you have to choose STP. $100 to $900, you choose ECN. On $1,000 and more and above, you choose ECN plus. You just get better commissions. STP gives you zero commissions because I mean it your account size is below $100, so you have zero commissions on that. Yeah, USD is good too. Me talking about NAS is just a preference. I just prefer NAS 100. Ah, in Naira, I wish I was a billionaire in Naira. Millionaire in Naira, yes. Billionaire, no, I'm not there yet. But that's the goal. Because even though I live here in the United States, Nigeria is still home. So, and now, last time I heard, last time I heard, in Nigeria right now, which is obviously where I was born, a dollar is 710, right? 710. That's what it is right now. Now multiply. Let's just go with 100K, $100,000. Multiply 710 by 100K. Tell me how much that is. I'm just using this as an example. This is about this should be like 7.1 million. Oh, 71 million. Oh my freaking god. This right here is 71 million in my country, Nigeria. 71 million. Hey, oh boy. Okay. No. Plus, I don't even have to pay tax from that money. Don't even have to pay tax. Yeah, we do. We have a huge population. I be telling people the richest forex traders, they know, you find them You find them in Africa, Asia, or countries like Philippines, Indonesia. That's where you find the richest traders. Not here in the United States, not in UK, not here, not in North America, not in freaking uh, Europe. No, you find them in Africa. Whether it's South Africa, Ghana, Nigeria, Cameroon, whatever country it is, you find them there. Oh, nope, it's not tax free here. No, 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 no. If you get to a point where you're actually making money consistently, just know you got to pay taxes. So you're gonna have to get to a good financial advisor and an accountant who can help you out with your taxes. It's not tax free here in America. You got to pay taxes. 100K is 10 million in Ghana. Man, shit, man, Nigeria got to do something. 10 million cities to 71 million naira, man, that's a huge gap. I was actually gonna go visit. I was gonna go visit Nigeria in December this year, but I was told not to go, for some personal reasons. So I'm gonna have to wait till next year. Yeah, the cedis is a strong currency in Africa. So if you have 100K account size and your leverage is 1 to 500, basically, basically you can use that lot size. But do not do that. Do not do that. If you have 100K, if you have 100K account, right? If you have 100K account, this is what I would recommend. 5 standard to 10. If your leverage is 1 to 500, this is my recommended lot size. 5 to 10 standard. What the hell? 100K USD is what in Rwanda? 100 million? Wow. Dude, I thought Nigeria's naira is worse. Damn, that's another huge gap. Um, so EJ is trying not to give us a run out here. EJ trying not to give us a runner. That's exactly what I said. Freaky laugh. 100 million. That's crazy. The only thing I wonder is if as a trader and you're living in Africa, whatever country you are in Africa, can you get your account in USD? I don't know if that's possible. When I eventually go there for vacation, that's what I need to do research on because I still need my account to be in USD, not in Naira. Oh, you have USD account in Africa? Okay, nice. Okay. All right, that's good then. So no wonder you African traders be balling. I know. $50 a day, yeah. Oh, that's good to know, Ivy. Now I know. Shit, $50 to Nigerian currency, that should be about 35,000. Shit, 35,000 a day. Shit, yeah, you balling. Because it's like making 35,000. It's like it's the same thing as making $35,000 a day here. No difference. The only difference is the currency. Yeah, that's $35,000. EJ needs to continue bullish. All right, Glody. Shit, even if you make $10 a day in Africa, shit, just slowly grow your account, compound it. Before you know it, your account will be at $100 size. Before you know it, it'll turn to $200, 300, 400, 500, and just like that. Because I can only imagine a lot of people in Africa right now and they want to trade. It's very, very hard for them to come up with $10. $10 to put in their account, not to talk of $50. So it's very hard. In South Africa, if you have what? 150K dollars, you can live For 11 years, living like a king. Now you're talking about South Africa. South African rand is even better than our Nigerian naira. 150K. Yeah, that's what in naira. It's probably going to be half of what it is in Nigerian currency. Yeah, 150K dollars in Nigerian currency. That's 100 and about 107 million. It's probably half of that in South African rand. Oh yeah, with 100 million, you can live forever. You pass that money to your kids, they keep passing it on, passing it on. If they don't squander the money, they're just gonna keep multiplying it. It's like you worthing $100 million here in the United States. It's no difference. So we have low to medium impact news coming up on EJ. I mean, for the Euro, we have some in about 11 minutes and we have some in 30 minutes. So between 10 to 30 minutes, maybe EJ is going to continue pushing up. It's just slowly creeping up, slowly but surely. I just needed to give me 20 more pips. Give me 20 more pips and he can do whatever he wants to do after that. Just give me 20 more pips. Your FS book says high impact. I'm looking at investing.com right now. I'm really not a fan of the economic calendar on my FX book. You see this? Wow. You see? Moving now. Come on, EJ, give me 20 more pips. Let's see. Yeah, here on investing.com, yeah, it's all low to medium impact. It's not high impact. Damn, who was about to smash this first TP? I want to see if it's gonna break below this high. If it's gonna break below this previous 5 minute high at around 143,298, but it could just retest this most recent 5 minute high at 143,355 and then continue bullish. So we'll see. We'll put both of them right here. See. This candle, this candle can flip bullish. If it flips bullish, this candle should smash out, should smash this first TP. Oh man, 145 people here. Come on, guys, get me 200 likes today. You guys have not been getting me 200 likes lately. Get me 200 likes today. I'm expecting us to smash this first TP at least before the 4-hour candle open. 4-hour candle opens in about freaking 27 minutes.
busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick, yeah. Turn a 10 piece to a 20 quick. I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter, I can keep on thumbing it. Turn a 10 piece to a 20 quick. I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter, I can keep on thumbing it. Okay, I'ma hit the 20 off a laptop. In a Zoom meeting, making money is my backdrop. Ballpoint base hit harder than a slap shot. Flew up my baby, told her rub me like I'm Epcot.
I'll be right back, guys. Just have to go use the restroom real quick. I'll be right back.
Turn it down and go get you some money. Turn a 10 piece to a 20 quick. I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter, I can keep on thumbing it. Turn a 10 piece to a 20 quick. I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter, I can keep on thumbing it. Eyes on the money, my brothers got my back. Streets moving funny, so I been holding strap. Not playing defense, we been on the attack. Plotting and scheming, how we gon' get it back. Designer all on you, but you can't buy the swag. No Miris, those foo-foo, I can see the tag. You can bet if I spendin' this cause I get it back. I'm 5G, a dollar, I can see the lag. All I ever wanted was to have it all. Got close, never froze, had to risk it all. As a little boy, I wish I was a little tall. Never made the league, I found other ways to let me ball. Turn a 10 piece to a 20 quick. I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter, I can keep on thumbing it. Turn a 10 piece to a 20 quick. I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter, I can keep on thumbing it.
Oh, what happened to the music? I guess it's finished. Alright, let's play something else. This is Nigel's song. If he's still here. Okay, EJ is currently testing that highs. We should continue pushing up. Looking at the 5, we should continue pushing up. Come on, EJ, give us 20 more pips. Give us 20 more pips. Do not flip bearish again. Come on, you're almost there, EJ. 20 more pips. It's like almost 4 a.m. here. You think you can push to 144, 250? Where I'm actually expecting a possible rejection is around 143, 500. But if we break above that, because we have clean, clean traffic here, right? Because we got clean traffic, I'm expecting we're gonna get to 144, around 144.050, around there. But first, we need to break above this possible rejection zone. Alright, possible rejection here, we got to break above that first, and then we could continue and potentially get back to 144.050. This thing flip bearish again. Alright. If we break below this most recent high at 143,298, yeah, then we're probably gonna start dropping. Even though we didn't quite get to 143,500, we're pretty much close, so pretty much close to it. But new 4-hour candle is about to open, so it's all gonna depend how the new 4-hour candle opens. Is it only trading I do? Yeah, for now, the alpha. Slim Janky said he got out. Yeah, I was just thinking about moving my stop loss to profit. But looking at this on the 5, if I'm gonna move my stop loss to profit here, it's gonna be 143,215. Because if we break these highs at 143,298, we're probably coming down. So everyone, if you're still in EJ, move your stop loss to 143,215. Alright, just a little bit above entry. That way you won't get stopped out at break even. Or you can just completely get out if you want to. It's your decision. But I'm still gonna stay. I don't have any reason to get out right now. Alrighty, Alpha. See you tomorrow. If this candle closes bearish, then our resistance will be right here. The break above that, we should have a bullish continuation. Alright, from the looks of things, it's looking like this candle is gonna close bearish. You guys saw how long it freaking took us just to freaking get 10 pips out of this thing today. It took us 1 hour, 20 minutes just to get 10 pips. Right now we couldn't even get it 20. Okay. The stop loss has been moved up, up to above entry anyways. The next candle could still be a bullish candle because we didn't break the lows of this bullish candle yet. We didn't break the lows of that candle yet. If we break the lows of this candle, then we should fall. Now we could fall back to this resistance for price to continue bullish, or we could just start falling. Because remember, I said we got potential rejection zone here. We didn't quite get there, but if we break these lows, we could potentially fall. So if you still want to trade EJ, even if you get stopped out now and you're looking for buys, your buys is going to be at this point above 143.450, because this candle is going to close bearish. That means we got resistance right here. Oh, really, NDL? It happens. It's part of trading. Hey, Yasin. Good morning. 0.5% profit. Hey, that's better than nothing. It's better than zero profit. Exactly. Guess what? The profit you made today, you can withdraw it if you want to. Even if all you can do is put gas in your car or pay your electricity bill or your phone bill, whatever it is. At least you didn't have to come out of pocket. You took it out from your investment, which Forex is an investment. Slow and steady investment. Slow and steady profits. Slow and steady. One day at a time. Well, nice to meet you, Yasin. Well, this candle closes in 3 minutes. Let's see how it's gonna close. If we're gonna get stopped out. Oh, nice fell. Nice didn't get to where my TP would have been. So that would have taken some profit anyways. How everybody wants to get a stable lifestyle by trading. for our candle. No top wick at all, so we could stay flip bullish. Do I know Raja and Ted? I don't know them personally. I never met them personally, just on social media.
Show ya, show me the color where you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. Said I'm from a city that's high school. I give on this cinema, I go. Cause you a bad money, she don't love money. She break hearts real fast like money. When I swim down to the deep end, wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it? Cause honestly, I can tell that you real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around, too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I don't understand how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night?
Um, Actually, guys, I'm really getting sleepy right now, and I need to be up in the next 4 hours because I got to trade NAS during NYSC Open. So I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Tomorrow is the last trading day of the week. Hopefully, we'll be able to finish the week strong. And as far as EJ goes, hopefully this thing flips bearish and then continue bullish. If that happens and you're still in EJ, just once you get 20 more pips, secure more pips, secure secure more profits, and then let the trade keep running. And just make sure you're trailing your stop loss. So God bless you guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.